Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Yeah, the Litecoin chart is basically unfolding as planned at the moment. We have a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern on the chart. I'm not a fan of head and shoulders, but it is in line with the Elliott Wave count at the moment. Yeah, so it could create here a nice breakout point at 98.40. The idea is obviously, I don't know if you've watched the previous video, but sort of Litecoin has worked out really nicely, We had a lot of trend reversal areas that worked out here. Up here we had a local top and it came down into the support area quite deep, but not to a degree that we would say it's unlikely to recover in a third wave rally that can take us to $140 and beyond. Yeah. So it might have started this new uptrend in a third wave. Skeptical at this stage because while we have a potential impulse here on a lower time frame on the hourly chart, basically, of the 10th of July low to the 11th of July high, this did not break above resistance. I did state previously that to have additional confirmation that the trend indeed has shifted. Okay, while we had that break of the trend line, that was a signal to take us up there. So that worked out nicely, but it hasn't broken above the B wave high. And I wanted a break of the B wave high to be more confident that this is indeed a wave one. Yeah, so we haven't done that. That's why I highlighted this support area only in orange, basically lower confidence. Nevertheless, it is a valid impulse and the move down should unfold in 3 waves, which it might really do. Yeah, we have a nice A wave, a B wave, and if this is now the C wave, it should hold support at the latest 93.40, which means that I want price to come down a little lower to form a healthy C wave, and then we have a nice wave 2. Support for this wave 2 is 95.16, 94.40 and 93.40. It's a pretty clear chart at the moment. Now, clear doesn't mean it definitely has to hold support. Doesn't mean I have much more confidence in the setup, but it means I can recognize the subwaves fairly well. That might always change, the chart is only good as long as support holds, so that might break at some point. And if it breaks below 93.40, it will turn into a bit of a mess, because then it might retest the 10th of July low at $92, and if it gets there, it might break lower, and then we are at 89. And 88, 89 is really of the larger 1-2 setup, which started on the 28th of June, the relevant bullish support. A break below that would mean that Litecoin probably topped already and is heading to potentially even new lows. That's how fragile this chart is. But if we talk about this inverse head and shoulders, it is in line with the Elliott Wave count, and this wave 2 could be the right shoulder as already indicated in previous videos. So we can always also, instead of just using the relevant support levels, retracement levels, we can use the Fibonacci extensions, because we can use the A wave to calculate the potential target of the C wave. And here we have the 100% extension at $95, pretty much in line with the 50% retracement, and the 1.618 extension, which is another likely target, is in line with the 78.6 retracement. So we have a really good confluence of Fibonacci levels. Actually, this is a really good textbook pattern. We have a wave 1 as an impulse, and we can count 5 waves up. Well, here 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triangle, 5. Nice 5-wave move, and we can count the A wave as a 5-wave move as well. So, and the A wave, as I often say, the A waves of a wave 2, they often react to a 38.2 Fib level. I mean, maybe some of you use that information that I often give to even trade the bounce here, but that is really risky because a B wave bounce is always risky to trade. It's a textbook 3-wave move in the B wave. We now took out the previous swing low potentially, yeah? And if we now head down lower, yeah, textbook. So let's see if it evolves like that. They can always change, especially on a day like that where you have CPI report come out. Things can definitely change quickly. Alright, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.